Okay, we're in the upstairs attic, looking at 2 and 3 indoor air handlers. The furnaces on both of these units look like they're pretty much original. They pretty much look like they're over 14 years old. I'll get the data when I get in there, when I get home and compare it. Number 2 does not have a sediment trap. Number 2 primary drain line does not have a P-trap, and it's not insulated. $25 by $20 by $1 air filter ACK. And again, you're going to want to replace these. These are leaking on both of them, number 2 and number 3. This evaporator coil and the furnace on number 2 system look pretty much original. Got some sagging, the air duct, not really. Moving on along to number 3. This evaporator coil looks newer. We do have a shallow trap, but a shallow trap that's insulated, kind of like number 1. We do have a care and use manual over here, so we got 2 out of 3 of our care and use manuals. Unlike number 2, which does not have a sediment trap for the gas piping, this one does. 25 by 20 by 1 leaks at the air filters.